Hey Karen, it was great talking to you earlier. Thanks for watching this video. My name's Devin, just making you this video to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you, and it's simple. There are a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. Typically, the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks on my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. Karen, what I'm going to talk to you about today really quickly is content, backlinks, and citations. So to start, content is whatever is on the front page of your website that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you specifically, it'd be like cleaning services Austin, maid service Austin, stuff like that. Now Google wants you to have like 1,500 words all the way up to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority. And that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So let's look at your business real quick. Now I notice you don't have your own website. Totally fine. I'm glad that you're at least doing something to start bringing in customers using Angie's List. The reason why I make these videos is to show people that this is what Angie's List does to generate their leads, and they're charging you crazy amounts of money for it. You can just do this yourself. So what some other companies are doing that have caught up on that would be like Austin's Maid Service and maidsandmore.com. So Austin's Maid Service, they don't have 1,500 words on their front page, so you're going to blow them out of the water by getting a website with 1,500 words. And maidsandmore.com, they also don't have that much. So 1,500 words is going to be the first step to beat these guys. Also, their images should be saved as like cleaning service Austin or maid service Austin, and instead they're saved as AMS get quote. So when you make your website, make sure you have those type of things on there, alright? So that's my first tip, is content. My second tip is going to be backlinks. This is important because Google is like a popularity contest, and they look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would for like Pizza Hut linking to you, because you're not a pizza company, obviously. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. Pretty cool. Costs about $1,000 a month. It does give you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. If you look at main competitors, Austin's Maid Service and Maids and Moore, Austin's Maid Service has 106 websites linking to them, and Maids and Moore has 386 websites linking to them. That's all you have to beat. The best way to do this is just to go copy your competitors. So go see what links they have and go get them for yourself. Carpet cleaning will probably be a good one. House cleaning, cleaning company, all these .coms. These are really good ones for you to go to those websites and try to get a link from them. And really, all you have to do, you don't even have to beat these guys to get the 386. You could beat these guys and still get a ton of traffic. You can add about 10 websites a day, so you can beat these guys in 2 weeks. And at this many people going to their website, 937 people per month, that's a lot of business for you to grow. And you don't have to go that quick, that much that quick, but it's a lot of business if you really want to grow this, grow your cleaning service. Last thing I'll talk about is citations, and you can do this without a website. When someone types in cleaning service Austin and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that cleaning company because those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time. They don't look at them whether they have ad blockers, they just had bad experiences. People don't click on those ads anymore. And so where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map pack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors, and citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, BBB. These are all really common ones. Best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in, and then go list yourself in those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. That's all I've got for you, Karen. I hope you found this informative. What I would recommend for you is getting your own website and adding about 1,500, 2,000 words on that front page. You're going to want to copy your competitors' backlinks, and then add a bunch more on top to dominate them. If it works to rank your competitors, it'll work to rank you as well. And then you want to copy your competitors' citations and add a bunch more on top. And you can do this before getting your website up. So, Karen, if you guys want to do this yourself, like I said, please do. Feel free to be my guest. I'm here to educate small business owners. I'd be glad to see you thrive. If you want me to help you out with this, give me a call. My phone number is 214-441-6737. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great day, Karen. Bye.